So I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about a product I've been waiting to buy for quite some time, and that is the Anker PowerCore Fusion 5000. This is a wall port charger that you can buy that also doubles as a battery. So not only can you plug it into your wall, stick your USB cables in there to charge your devices, you can take it with you. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery in it, and I couldn't wait to get it. So here's what it looks like. Got some product papers in there. Comes in this little bag thing. That's what it is. It's something I put in my bag. I can take it with me. It's got two USB power ports. This is a USB mini port to charge it if you'd like, but this is the best part about it. It's got the built-in prongs. You can plug it into the wall, charge the item, charge your devices. It's smart enough to know to switch between the two. If you're charging a device, it won't charge the internal battery, but once you stop charging the device, the internal battery will charge. It's got a power light indicator. I do wish that it had a larger capacity battery in it, but for the size of this thing and the cost, it was like around 25, 35 bucks, something like that. I'll put the price in the description and the link on Amazon. But I love it. I take it everywhere with me. You should check it out. What else comes in the bag or in the box? I got this little accessory pouch here. Let's see what's inside. It looks like it's got a little travel pouch. And then it's got a USB type A to micro so that you can charge it from another charger, which is a little ironic, but I guess if you have a high-powered charger device and you want to charge this with it, go for it. Or if the prongs happen to break, or if you're at a place where that's not available. Anyway, I can't recommend it higher. I love it. I love Anker. This product's great. Check it out.